Hello everyone, what happens if you eat chia seeds every single day for just 2 weeks? These tiny seeds have been called a superfood by nutritionists all over the world, and for good reason. Packed with nutrients, fiber, and omega-3s, they might be one of the easiest ways to boost your health, naturally. In this video, we're diving into 10 science-backed benefits of chia seeds. Stay till the end for tips on how to use them the right way for maximum results. Boosts mood and reduces stress. You often feel overwhelmed, tired, or anxious. You're not alone. But chia seeds may help change that. A study from the University of Pittsburgh found that the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can significantly improve mood, emotional stability, and even personality. Regular consumption can help fight symptoms of anxiety and depression, thanks to their brain-boosting nutrients. Improves sleep quality. Sleep problems are increasingly common. Fortunately, chia seeds are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid your body needs to produce melatonin and serotonin. These two hormones regulate your sleep cycle. According to researchers at the University of Texas, tryptophan can even help treat more serious sleep disorders. So you're battling insomnia or irregular sleep, chia seeds might become your new favorite bedtime snack. Strengthens teeth and gums. Chia seeds are also great for your oral health. They contain calcium, phosphorus, zinc, and vitamin A, nutrients that strengthen your teeth and prevent tooth decay. Zinc, in particular, helps fight bacteria and keeps your breath fresh. Just a spoonful a day can make a noticeable difference over time. Builds stronger bones. As we age, bone density naturally decreases. But with just 1 ounce of chia seeds, you get around 18% of your daily calcium and over 30% of your manganese. Both minerals are essential for maintaining bone strength and preventing osteoporosis. Add them to your diet, especially if you're lactose intolerant or avoid dairy. Lowers cholesterol. High cholesterol levels can quietly damage your health over time, increasing the risk of stroke and heart disease. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which binds to cholesterol and helps remove it from your body. A landmark study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that dietary fiber can significantly lower LDL, or bad cholesterol level. Regulates blood sugar. If you're concerned about type 2 diabetes, chia seeds can help manage blood sugar spikes after meals. A study by St. Michael's Hospital in Canada found that eating chia seeds slowed the rapid increase in blood sugar after eating. Animal studies also show that they may improve insulin sensitivity and long-term blood sugar control. Supports heart health. Heart disease is still the leading cause of death worldwide, but chia seeds offer strong protection. They're rich in omega-3s, fiber, and protein, all nutrients shown to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. A Brazilian study from the Federal University of Paraíba confirmed that regular consumption of chia seeds reduces multiple risk factors for heart problems. Boosts workout performance and recovery. Chia seeds aren't just good for general health, they're also an amazing workout companion. Eating chia seeds before exercise provides long-lasting energy, while the protein they contain helps repair muscle tissue post-workout. Many athletes use them to naturally boost stamina and speed up recovery. Aids in weight loss. Trying to shed a few pounds? Chia seeds can help with that too. They expand when soaked in water, creating a gel-like texture that keeps you full longer. The fiber slows digestion and the protein helps reduce hunger. A University of Toronto study showed that overweight individuals with type 2 diabetes lost more weight when they added chia to their diet. Clears and brightens skin. No matter how great your skincare routine is, what you eat plays a huge role in your complexion. Chia seeds are high in antioxidants, which help repair damaged skin, reduce inflammation, and fight premature aging. Mexican researchers found that regular consumption improves skin tone and texture, giving you a healthy, natural glow. How to use chia seeds to get the most benefits. Here's how to use them right. Buy organic, whole chia seeds, avoid overly processed ones. Soak 1 to 2 tablespoons in water overnight. This helps with digestion and boosts nutrient absorption. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even baked goods. Don't consume more than 1.4 ounces, about 2 tablespoons, per day. Always start slow to let your body adjust to the fiber. From stronger bones to clearer skin, chia seeds are truly nature's little miracle. Are you ready to give them a try? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who needs a health boost. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.